We're trying to create a forum for telco providers to share with each other, particularly around NFV. I think the focus is trying to drive progress, trying to drive adoption, trying to drive transformation success. It's a big topic. It has a lot of providers. It's complicated. And so having them share war stories and successes, it helps them, helps us.
And today's about sort of one of these ecosystems, if you like, getting together, sharing information, understanding what direction the industry's taken and gaining insights, both at the big picture level, but also down at, very practical things. So it's a great place to come and share and learn about what's happening in service providers or in the technology side.
Sometimes you kind of have to open up and talk a little bit about things which might have gone wrong and share with the others and get other viewpoints as well.
Very beneficial for us to exchange our experience with open source communities, with Red Hat, with Juniper, all the guys to see what is the landscape for the technology with other operators and opus.
For me, it's very important to the sense of community. We are at the end a community. We are competitors in some cases, but we have common problems, common approaches to that problem.
Before virtualization, when people sold physical boxes, right, it's a single entity and a single vendor, and you go to that vendor and get the support that you need. When we move to the virtual world, it's multiple software components that come together. And so it's important for all vendors to work together and have a close collaboration.
This meeting is about getting the clients together and getting us and some key partners to discuss challenges and find common solutions.
There is a long journey in front of us. That's why it's important to share what we have already faced, what the others see. That's why it's good for us to be here.